Hello there. For most of us, the weekend promises a fair amount of dry weather. The amount of cloud will vary a bit from place to place, and there will be some jumps around in temperatures as well, as we'll see in a moment. This was the satellite picture then from Friday, showing we had some decent sunshine, particularly across parts of Scotland. That was how the sunshine looked in the Highlands. Not far away from that, in Stirlingshire, we had the highest temperature in the UK, up to 17 degrees Celsius, very mild for the time of year. But it wasn't like that everywhere. North East England had a really chilly day on Friday, just 6 degrees Celsius. A big jump upwards in temperatures, though, on the way later today.
Good morning, John. Rachel, good morning to you as well. Well, it will be dry for most of you this weekend. That's a bit of good news if you have to get out for your daily exercise or walk that lockdown puppy. But there will be a fair bit of cloud around.
Sunny? Yay!
For some. Lovely start there, you can see, in Aberdeenshire. Thanks, John. Rachel, very good morning to you. Let's start with a little bit of sunshine and lifters on this Saturday morning. Beautiful start there, eastern parts of Scotland. Not a bad start on the south coast of England either. This was Eastbourne, but the cloud you can see just above me, that is actually starting to work its way in. So the sunshine will become a little bit more limited here. And really for many, I think you're kind of used to the story after yesterday. Plenty of cloud around. Morning, John, Rachel. Very good morning to you as well. Well, certainly for today, a lot of dry weather once again. This is how we start the day in parts of eastern Scotland and the Scottish borders. Blue skies overhead, fine day ahead for you. For most of us, though, this scene in Cumbria from one of our weather watchers a short while ago sums up skies for the vast majority of the day. A fairly cloudy day for most once again. Oh yeah, no, not much rain around today, John and Rachel. Very good morning to you. There will be some wetter weather next week, as I will show you later, but for the time being, it's a lovely start to Saturday for some. Spring equinox today, bit of spring sunshine here in the northeast of Scotland. A few of you will also see the sunshine, but for many of you, it is going to be a grey start to the astronomical spring. This is the scene in Herefordshire at the moment. Grey skies overhead. Similar picture for the vast majority. A fairly cloudy day.
Matt, it's been quite calm, hasn't it, weather-wise? Is that going to continue?
It has got unusually calm, considering that today actually is the spring equinox. Sometimes get something a little bit stormier around now. Very good morning. But yeah, spring equinox, already daylight is longer than night times. And for some of you, the day will come with a little bit of sunshine. The sun will disappear here, though, at Hove on the south coast as we go through this morning. And for many of us, admittedly, today won't be the brightest of days. Like yesterday, skies a little bit like these recorded in Pontypridd just a few hours ago. But
yes, because Matt has what family? Was it your grandmother taught you some Welsh?
Yes, my nan is from Conwy in North Wales, and she taught me to speak little bits of Welsh when I was about 4, 5 years old, most of which, sadly, I have forgotten, but I do know a few little bits.
I thought you were going to say you're going to do the entire forecast in Welsh for us now. Go on.
I wouldn't do that to anybody, no, sorry.
What have you got for us?
I need to learn some Welsh weather words. I have got some sunshine for some of you this morning. Spring equinox today, John and Rachel. Good morning to you as well. So, a few beautiful signs of spring. We've got the lambs out in County Durham. This will be one of the warmest spots today with the sunshine overhead and lighter winds than yesterday. We've got the daffodils out here in Staffordshire, but grey skies, and it's those grey skies which will dominate, in fact, for many of you once again. But it will be a largely dry start to the weekend, just one or two exceptions.
Is the weather anything to joke about? I dread to think. Matt, you must have some terrible lines for us.
I've always got some terrible lines, but I can never remember them when I have to. Weather jokes are never a breeze, are they? Anyway, Good morning. Let's take a look at what's happening weather-wise at the moment. It is spring equinox today. I found you some glorious blue skies, a little bit of sunshine to get the day underway here in Northumberland. Some of the best of today's conditions will be found. Different story in Gwynedd, northwest Wales at the moment. Lots of cloud, quite misty over the hills. That sky colour is probably the more common sky colour across the country today. But as I said, there will be a little bit of sunshine here and there.